Hi, Ann with Luke's, here to share a few tricks on sewing curves on your serger as well as how to hide your thread tails on your serger as well. So we will be doing the curve that's a convex curve first. If you notice, I will have my eye on the 5/8 line and just going a little slower on the serger than normal as I go around that curve. There we have it. So this is the concave curve, and like the convex, we will just go slow as we approach the curve on the seam. Okay, so our last tip for our serger is to hide the seam thread, and the way we do that is bring it over and on top of your fabric underneath the foot. I'm going to lower the foot now. I'll let it come down about 1 inch, and then I'm going to move it in front of the blade to cut it. And there you have it, hidden inside of the seam.